now breaking news from London, where the Nirav Modi case's hearing has been adjourned, and now next date for the hearing has been fixed for March 29th. Nalini continues to be live with us as we break these important details. When Nirav Modi was arrested and now he was a while back produced, the hearing, it was a brief hearing which just got adjourned, rather concluded, and the next date has been set for 29th. Nalini, what does it really mean? It was actually very brief. So do you think some arguments on merit could have taken place or no?
Well, Sakal, in all likelihood, considering how brief the hearing was, we don't expect for any lengthy arguments to have taken place before the court. We're still awaiting the official court order to get more details of exactly what has happened in the hearing. That's when we'll be able to put forth more details. But at the same time, it needs to be pointed out that the date has been given of that of March 25th, if I'm not wrong, which is when the hearing is going to take place. Now, that is not too far. March 29th, I beg your pardon, is when the next hearing is going to take place. Now, that's not too far into the future. And if on the 29th of March, the investigating agencies, including the ED as well as the CBI, are able to put forth any arguments on merits on the process of extradition itself, then we can expect some fast-paced developments to happen soon after March 29th. But at the same time, the hearing as of today has been adjourned till March 29th. We're still awaiting finer details that will be released in the court order that will be published by the Westminster Court in UK. Essentially, the hearing was revolving around the fact that Nirav Modi had to be produced because he's just been taken into custody within the past 24 hours, I beg your pardon. So there is a legal requirement on the authorities to ensure that he's produced before the court so that the magistrate knows that he has been taken into custody and the process of extradition is now going to follow. But at the same time, what we have to wait and watch is exactly what happens on the 29th of March.
On March 29th, and that is the next date of hearing fixed by the Westminster Court in London. Nalini, as of now, we need to wrap it up here. Many thanks for getting us those exclusive details. Also, let's take a very short break, viewers. We'll be back with more news and updates. Stay with us.